Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's Content Corner. My name's Andy Hooper from Global E-Commerce Experts, and we're here to successfully expand e-commerce sellers into Europe. And today's Content Corner is all about a new notification that's come out from Amazon about factory seals on certain products. Now, there's a whole load of products, mainly hygienic products, that from the 5th of April this year, you will have to have a factory seal on your product. If your product is therefore returned to Amazon and there's no factory seal, or the factory seal is broken, your product will be deemed as unfillable inventory. Now, what we don't understand right now, and what we believe to be the case, is that when the product goes into Amazon, you will have a seal on your product. So they're not going to be checking on goods in for a factory seal. But when your goods come back to Amazon as a return, they'll want to see if the factory seal has been broken. So if your product doesn't have a factory seal in the first place, any returned item will be deemed as unfillable. Now, if you've got a factory seal on that, that's going to be absolutely fine. And this really is to focus on the sort of the compliance of products and to make sure nothing's been used and to make sure anything that's a hygienic product can't be used. So I'm going to give you some examples. I'm just going to read that if that's okay. So hygienic products are those that are used on human body, including sensitive areas. For example, mouth, eyes, genital areas, and could be returned with residual customer substances on them, e.g., for example, saliva and hair. Examples are shavers, oral care products, toothbrushes, skin and nail care sets, massaging devices, etc. And topical device products are those that are applied to human body, creams, foams, gels, lotions, ointments intended to use on body surfaces such as skin, scalp, etc. Now, I've just read that piece because I wanted to get that exactly right. And what we'll do is we'll put that underneath somewhere as well so you can read that. But I think it's really, really important for you to understand that come the 5th of April, your products need a factory seal on. Otherwise, what'll happen is anything that's returned will just go into unfillable inventory, and you've then got to try and work out what to do with that. So hopefully that's useful. From the 5th of April, you need a factory seal on your products. If you don't have a factory seal, it will go into unfillable inventory for returns. That's it from today's Content Corner. My name's Andy Hooper from Global E-Commerce Experts, and we're here to successfully expand e-commerce sellers into Europe. Have a great day.